Honey, won't you come with me? I'll make sure you get all your diamond rings. Right here is where I wanna be. We're floating on the wings of timeless love. Oh, I know that your heart's stuck with someone else, but you should know that I want you and no one else. I wanna be yours, draped up riding down this road. You wanna be you wanna be sure. Just taste my love, you'll see it's yours. I wanna be yours, draped up riding down this road. You wanna be sure.
Just finished getting ready and I'm heading to Soho today to do a little candle making class with my friend Christina. I actually got her a gift card to go there for her birthday, but she decided to bring me as her +1. Before I head out, I want to give a quick shout out to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video. I've been wearing Ana Luisa for years and I still have a favorite pair of gold earrings that I bought from like 2 years ago that I wear on the daily. The pieces that I'm wearing right now are also from Ana Luisa. I have this really elegant gold necklace. I feel like it just like enhances my collarbone area over here. I feel like this also makes my outfit look a little more put together and it just looks very expensive. I have these gold hoop earrings which are actually really unique. I love all the edges and ridges. And lastly, I have this ring which is gold with cubic zirconia around it. I've been loving this combo lately because I feel like it just ties all of my jewelry together. And everything that I'm wearing will be linked down below. I'm sure you guys have heard of Ana Luisa, but if you haven't, I would highly recommend you check them out because they just craft really high quality jewelry at very affordable prices. They're also carbon neutral from their packaging to their products, and it's always nice to be buying from brands that are environmentally conscious. Whether you're looking for a daily piece, a statement piece, a classic, or a trendy piece, they just have it all. Like I said, their jewelry is already very affordable, but they're offering my viewers a special discount of 20% off your entire purchase using my code HannahMoon20. If you guys are interested in buying anything, definitely use my code so that you get an extra discount. And now that I'm all ready, I'm gonna head out and hop on the subway to head to Soho.
The moon don't shine bright like this often. Love pouring out like a faucet, reviving me. That pain make you cautious. And my shoes, they got mileage. My back on that wall and I'm still standing tall. Cause even in the darkness I can see what's for me is for me. It's mine, it's mine. It's so clear to see. So clear to see, yeah, I know it's for me, it's for me. It's mine. It's mine. Who am I to style when his kids on the block looking up to me? Made it look good when it was ugly. Dolce and Gabbana, but the trauma still be hunting me. Add a couple comments, lead the whole gang comfortably. Know my true to mama, feel like painting in my company.
It's a Shein famous foods while our candles are solidified. I'm not Shein's in forever. I'm excited. I'm so hungry. It's my first meal of the day.
Chains that confine me. I live inside me, so even in the darkness I can see it's for me, it's for me.
It's worth it because all you need
It's mine, it's mine. It's so clear to see. So clear to see, yeah, I know it's for me, it's for me.
So I just got home after picking up our solidified candles and mine turned out so cute. And it actually smells really, really good. I did a mixture of their hinoki and bamboo, and It smells very light and fresh, a little bit florally. It's a scent that I would definitely buy. I love the chrome color I picked out. I feel like it's gonna add a really nice accent to our home, and they also had really cute like holographic colors as well. And you also get a little pouch to take home with you. It was just a really cute concept, and I love that they give you a really big jar of a candle that should last a really long time. I saw a lot of couples there, and some people were even celebrating the birthday, so it's definitely a fun spot to try out. Can't wait to light this, but I'm gonna save it for a bit. I am heading out to get a pedicure. I actually desperately needed a pedicure because I haven't done one all winter, and you guys know that I've been attending yoga and Pilates classes, which are normally done barefoot, and my toes just were not cute. It was kind of embarrassing actually. I'm a little late for my appointment, so I'm rushing right now. To drink for dinner later. So I'm about to cook up some dinner, and tonight is pasta night, and I actually ordered some pasta from Brooklyn Pasta Lab. This is actually owned by my ex-coworker's brother, who is a chef. He used to work at top restaurants in New York City, but he started this company back when COVID hit. He would deliver fresh handmade pasta to people's doorsteps, and I just thought this whole meal kit concept was very clever because a lot of people, including myself, don't have the time to make fresh pasta at home. It came really nicely packaged inside of styrofoam with an ice pack and everything, and I got the rigatoni spicy vodka. It comes with the fresh pasta, the spicy vodka sauce, and it also came with some Parmesan cheese. I also got their tiramisu, which I heard was really good. It also comes with this instruction card, and it seems very easy to follow. You basically just cook the pasta and the sauce and combine it. So I'm gonna cook it up right now and try it for the first time.
Yeah, you get the yummy, the yummy, yummy, yeah, you get the yummy, the yummy, yummy, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Any night,
No sauce go to waste.
yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. In the morning of the lane.
I bought this random Italian wine from the wine shop before, but it's an Italian wine from Tuscany, so I'm sure it's good.
Number one, yeah, every time I come around, get it done.
Yeah. Oh my god, you spilled it into my pasta!
50-50, love the way it's spinning. 100 racks on the body bag.
I like it. It's very fruity.
It is authentic.
Oh my god. This is definitely like restaurant quality. Can we order this every week?
Oh.
Fresh handmade pasta definitely makes a difference. I literally feel like I'm sitting at an Italian restaurant eating pasta prepared by a chef. This was so good. I 100% recommend it. I'll leave the link down below if you guys want to check it out. Now we're gonna have some tiramisu for dessert. Ooh, this looks so good.
Never running low on supplies. 50-50, love the way it's spinning. 100 racks on the spinning bag.
10 out of 10.
11.
We are on our way to Astoria, Queens to celebrate our friend Phoebe's birthday.
We're gonna go see pigs on the beach.
That's the hint.
Yep, wink wink.
Can you guess where we're going?
set on laptop in a Jeep. Okay. We punching. Hey. Take it back, I feel like it's me, no. Kept it on the low, had to take a rubber ego. Now we going back like a sequel. I'm rising up and I'm taking out my egos. In a new space with a first major. All this second guess with this dangerous. No, I don't always come from the steeple. That's why I'm making songs for the people, yeah.
To wrap up today's video by saying thank you guys for watching, especially if you made it this far into the vlog. Thanks again to Ana Luisa for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget to check them out. I'll leave all the links in the description, and also take advantage of my code HannahMoon20 to get 20% off your entire purchase. Hope you guys have a lovely week, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
But I'll never peak at the top of all of my fears. Sit beneath, see that was deep. Got it on lock with no key.